measured everything out, and I like to do that because I tend to get distracted and then I forget. I lose count when I'm doing like 6 cups of flour. All right, I've never made pretzel challah bread before, so we're doing this as we go along, but this is what's called proofing, and that's when the yeast and the sugar and the water kind of combine and start bubbling. All right, I mix the yeast mixture with the rest of the liquid, which was like water, salt, sugar. And now I'm gonna put the flour in and roll it out. Okay, so Jake is doing a great job kneading the bread. If it's too dry, we just wet our hands and then we keep kneading until everything is incorporated and forms a smooth dough roll. Okay, the final kneading before we let it rise for an hour and a half with the damp paper towel on top. Okay, great. Beautiful. Thanks, Jake. Risen for an hour and a half. I separated into 3 and I'm gonna braid it and then pinch the ends so it's like a challah bread, and then I'm gonna put it in this water to make it pretzel-y. Alright, I hope I did this right. I had to boil this water with baking soda and then place this braided challah bread for 30 seconds on each side. Then I brushed it with the water, and then I put some of this Himalayan salt. Oh my gosh, look at that bread. It's Alright, looks like a pretzel. I took it out maybe 3 minutes early because we have to go, but it looks really delicious, right? Guys, the pretzel bread turned out delicious. I ate like a third of it on the drive to volleyball practice, so now I feel like I have cement in my stomach. But it's worth making.